Good morning, students. How are you? We were discussing about India's relation with China, and we have discussed the causes of conflict between India and China. Then we have discussed about the war of 1962 between India and China. Now we will discuss India's relation with China after 1962. So after 1962, for many years, India's relation were not good. In 1976, after 14 years, diplomatic relation with China were restored. First time in 1979, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, at that time he was the External Affairs Minister of India. In 1979, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a top level leader of India, visited China. After that, Rajiv Gandhi was the first Prime Minister after Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru who visited China. Since then, the emphasis is given to have good trade relation between two countries. If we see the present status with China, this year 2020, this is the 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relation between India and China, because it started in 1950. But because of the COVID-19 pandemic and the bloody showdown in Galwan, where 20 of Indian Army personnel lost their lives, now the relation has become worse between India and China. After the war of 1962, as I have told you, Rajiv Gandhi has visited China and our relation has become very good in the field of trade. The trade between India and China was growing at 30% per year since 1999. It was a positive perspective on relation with China. In 1992, the trade between India and China was $338 million, and in 2016 it increased $70 billion. Both of the countries, they were cooperating in different fields. But this 2020, again the relation between India and China have become bitter because of this Galwan, where the 20 of Indian Army persons, they lost their lives. Although the 70th anniversary should be celebrated for improving the relation between India and China, but it has worsened the situation. Both the countries must improve their diplomatic relation. There should be peaceful coexistence, but this 70th year has shown that peaceful coexistence has been replaced by armed coexistence. It means the relation between India and China are bitter nowadays, which were tried to make good trade relation earlier by the Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi or other Prime Ministers of India, but now the relations are not good. So students, that's all for today. We have completed the topic India's relation with China. In the next lecture, we will discuss India's relation with USA. Till then, goodbye. Take care.